So the first one is just like least tech, lowest tech, least sophisticated is resume embellishment. And that's everywhere, right? But now it's not just filling in that gap of 4 months where I say I was a consultant because I was in between jobs. It's let me fabricate a completely new resume based on a job description. Let me create a fake LinkedIn profile that corresponds to that. So that's the sort of table stakes of what people are doing to just make themselves look more experienced and knowledgeable than they really are. There is then also this proxy component where the simple version is, Joseph, please, can you help me? Can you do this interview for me? You're going to do a much better job than I am, to an organized structure where there are professional interviewers who are taking it on behalf of. I've done 15 interviews this week and 5 of them were the same company. I know all the questions they're going to ask me. I'm going to crush this interview. So more structured way of organized cheating. And then the worst case is really that really state sponsored in North Korea, as everyone's aware. I think these days the FBI's promoted a lot of this. They've investigated it. They even have shut down some of these operations. But that's where there's a number of different technologies and a number of different ways in which they're making someone who's working in one place, in this case, North Korea, look like they're working in another place, in this case, the US, from a remote laptop and proxying in. And then once they're in, hacking into the network and doing all kinds of damage. Like that's the outer spectrum of what companies have to be aware of. So that's sort of key components of the spectrum, from low tech and least sophisticated all the way up to the most structured and sophisticated.